Hare Krishna everyone, we're continuing to read the book entitled The Science of Self-Realization by His Divine Grace Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Chapter 2, Choosing a Spiritual Master, and this first section is called What is a Guru? We must understand that we cannot carry out research to find the absolute truth. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself said, quote, "My Guru Maharaj, my spiritual master, considered me a great fool," unquote. He who remains a great fool before his Guru is a Guru himself. However, if one says, "I'm so advanced that I can speak better than my Guru," he is simply a rascal. In the Bhagavad Gita 4.2, Shri Krishna says, "Evam parampara praptam imam rajarshayo vidu sakale neha mahata yogo nashtah parantapa." Quote, "This supreme science was thus received through the chain of disciplic succession, and the saintly kings understood it in that way. But in due course of time, the succession was broken, and therefore the science as it is appears to be lost." Unquote. Taking on a guru is not simply a fashion. One who is serious about understanding spiritual life requires a guru. A guru is a question of necessity, for one must be very serious to understand spiritual life, God, proper action, and one's relationship with God. When we are very serious about understanding these subjects, we need a guru. We shouldn't go to a guru simply because a guru may be fashionable at the moment. Surrender must be there, for without surrender we cannot learn anything. If we go to a guru simply to challenge him, we will learn nothing. We must accept the guru just as Arjuna accepted his guru, Shri Krishna himself. Karpanya dosho pahata svabhava prichami tvam dharma samudhacheta yachreyasyan nishchitam bruhitan me shishyasteham shadhimam tvam prapannam. Quote, "Now I am confused about my duty and have lost all composure because of weakness. In this condition, I am asking you to tell me clearly what is best for me. Now I am your disciple and a soul surrendered unto you. Please instruct me." Unquote. Bhagavad Gita 2.7. This is the process for accepting a guru. The guru is Krishna's representative, the former Acharya's representative. Krishna says that all Acharyas are his representatives. Therefore, the guru should be offered the same respect one would offer to God. As Vishwanatha Chakravarti Thakur says in his prayers to the spiritual master, "Yasya prasadad bhagavat prasada." Quote, "By the mercy of the spiritual master, one receives the benediction of Krishna." Unquote. Thus, if we surrender to the bona fide guru, we surrender to God. God accepts our surrender to the guru. In the Bhagavad Gita 18.66, Krishna instructs, Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami ma shuchaha. Quote, abandon all varieties of religion and just surrender unto me. I shall deliver you from all sinful reaction. Do not fear. Unquote. Someone may argue, where is Krishna? I shall surrender to him. But no, the process is that we first surrender to Krishna's representative. Then we surrender to Krishna. Therefore it is said, Sakshad Haritvena Samastra Shastrair. The Guru is as good as Krishna. When we offer respects to the Guru, we are offering respects to God. Because we are trying to be God conscious, it is required that we learn how to offer respects to God through God's representative. In all the Shastras, the Guru is described to be as good as God. But the Guru never says, I am God. The disciple's duty is to offer respect to the Guru, just as he offers respect to God. But the Guru never thinks, my disciples are offering me the same respect they offer to God. Therefore, I have become God. As soon as he thinks like that, he becomes a dog instead of God. Therefore, Vishwanatha Chakravarti says, Kintu Prabhorya Priya Eva Tasya. Because he is the most confidential servitor of God, the Guru is offered the same respect that we offer God. God is always God. Guru is always Guru. As a matter of etiquette, God is the worshipable God, and the Guru is the worshipper God. Sevaka Bhagavan. Therefore, the Guru is addressed as Prabhupada. The word Prabhu means Lord, and Pada means position. Thus, Prabhupada means he who has taken the position of the Lord. This is the same as Sakshad Haritvena Samasta Shastrair. Only if we are very serious about understanding the science of God is a Guru required. We should not try to keep a Guru as a matter of fashion. One who has accepted a Guru speaks intelligently. He never speaks nonsense. That is the sign of having accepted a bona fide Guru. We should certainly offer all respect to the spiritual master. But we should also remember how to carry out his orders. In the Bhagavad Gita 4.34, Shri Krishna himself tells us the method of seeking out and approaching the Guru. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadekshyanti te jnanam jnaninas tatvadarshinaha. Quote, just try to learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master. Inquire from him submissively and render service unto him. The self-realized soul can impart knowledge unto you because he has seen the truth. The first process is that of surrender. We have to find an exalted person and willingly surrender before him. The Shastras enjoin that before we take a guru, we study him carefully to find out whether we can surrender to him. We should not accept a guru suddenly out of fanaticism. That is very dangerous. The guru should also study the person who wants to become a disciple to see if he is fit. That is the way a relationship is established between the guru and disciple. Everything is provided, but we must take up the process seriously. Then we can be trained to become a bona fide disciple. First, we must find a bona fide guru, establish our relationship with him, and act accordingly. Then our life will be successful, for the guru can enlighten the sincere disciple who is in darkness. Everyone is born a rascal and a fool. If we are born learned, why do we need to go to school? If we do not cultivate knowledge, we are no better than animals. An animal may say that there is no need of books and that he has become a guru, but how can anyone obtain knowledge without the study of authoritative books on science and philosophy? Rascal gurus try to avoid these things. We must understand that we are all born rascals and fools, and that we have to be enlightened. We have to receive knowledge to make our lives perfect. If we do not perfect our lives, we are defeated. What is this defeat? The struggle for existence. We are trying to obtain a better life, to attain a superior position, and for this we are struggling very hard. But we do not know what a superior position actually is. Whatever position we have in this material world must be given up. We may have a good position or a bad position. In any case, we cannot remain here. We may earn millions of dollars and think, now I am in a good position. But a little dysentery or cholera will finish our position. If the bank fails, our position is gone. So actually, there is no good position in this material world. It is a farce. Those who try to attain a better position in the material world are ultimately defeated, because there is no better position. The Bhagavad Gita 14.26 says what the better position is. Mamchayo vyabhicharena bhakti-yogena sevate sagunan samatityaitan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Quote, one who engages in the spiritual activities of unalloyed devotional service at once transcends the modes of material nature and is elevated to the spiritual platform. Unquote. Is there any science that gives us the knowledge by which we may become immortal? Yes, we may become immortal, but not in a material sense. We cannot receive this knowledge in so-called universities. However, there is knowledge contained in the Vedic scriptures by which we may become immortal. That immortality is our better position. No more birth, no more death, no more old age, no more disease. Thus, the Guru takes on a very great responsibility. He must guide his disciple and enable him to become an eligible candidate for the perfect position, immortality. The Guru must be competent to lead his disciple back home, back to Godhead. Just wanted to add one point to this, is that sometimes we hear people say that, oh no, I don't want to live forever, because we actually don't know what this life of immortality is. When people don't know, when they say stuff like that. Actually, going back home, back to Godhead, is the bliss which is beyond our comprehension, and it is just like in one of the small books, Srila Prabhupada gave analogy that a diseased person, he doesn't know, or he forgot what is healthy life. And when he hears that, oh, you will live forever, he will think that, oh, I will be diseased forever. No, you will be healthy and you will be enjoying life and you will be happy. So having the life of immortality is actually no more miseries of this material existence, struggle for life, all the problems that we have related to this material body. But about this we will read further. If you will, stay tuned. So, thank you so much for tuning in today. The link to this book is in the description. Please check out our website, shravanamdiaries.com, and we shall see you tomorrow. Hare Krishna.